Say goodbye to guesswork. Say hello to precision, power, and total control. This is the JET 20-inch Smart Drill Press, where intelligence meets performance. A true touchscreen puts control at your fingertips. 22 built-in tool profiles, 15 customizable material presets, a commanding 20-inch capacity. Every element engineered to do more with less effort, so you can focus on the work, not the setup. Precision isn't optional, it's built in. Set the perfect speed, depth, and material selection in seconds. Optimized for wood, plastic, some metals, and more, so every pull is exact, every result flawless. Confidence comes standard. Real-time motor load monitoring safeguards your machine, your workpiece, and you. Lock in settings with password protection for added security, because safety should never be an afterthought. Take on bigger, bolder projects. A 20-inch swing, 6-inch spindle travel, and a 90-degree tilting cast iron table lets you drill at any angle with absolute stability. Expansive clamp space means more control, more capability, and no compromises. A brushless 1.5 horsepower motor, a rock-solid cast iron base and table, all backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty. This drill press isn't just smart, it's built for the long haul. The integrated LED lighting illuminates your work, while the precision laser guide ensures accuracy. Smart, powerful, relentless. Stop the guesswork. Start drilling with confidence. The JET 20-inch Smart Drill Press. Smarter drilling starts now.